Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing resources and confirming versions. Close heavy apps, check Task Manager for CPU/GPU spikes, and update Discord plus your graphics drivers. Once done, restart Discord rather than just the call. That clears transient issues. Make sure Discord has proper permissions, screen recording on Mac OS or administrator rights on Windows, because lacking them causes frame drops. Finally, pick the Discord window or app explicitly rather than full screen to reduce encoding overhead and isolate the problem quickly. You now adjust Discord and capture settings to reduce strain, toggle hardware acceleration because some GPU drivers conflict with Discord's encoder. Next, lower the stream to 720p at 30 FPS and choose the specific application window to avoid compositing problems. The smaller workload often stops freezing. If you use OBS or other capture software, use application capture or game capture rather than display capture. Also, switch codecs if available and restart the stream after each change to confirm results. You finish by performing a clean reinstall if problems persist. Uninstall Discord, delete local app data, and install the latest stable build. This clears corrupted configs. Next, test on a different network or plug into Ethernet since packet loss or jitter causes apparent freezes. If the issue remains, do a clean GPU driver install or roll back to a known stable driver. Driver regressions are a common culprit. One troubleshooting tip: record a short local sample while streaming to see if freezes are local or network-induced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.